Lesson 7. Complete Guide to the Options section in VMware Workstation Pro 26H1. Hello and welcome to all of you. Welcome to Lesson 7 of the comprehensive VMware Workstation Pro 26H1 course on the Teach Skill Academy channel. In the previous lesson, we explored the hardware section and learned how to manage RAM, processors, hard disks, network adapters, and other virtual hardware components. In this lesson, we will move to the Options section. This section provides general and advanced settings for the virtual machine and is very important for professional virtual machine management. What is the Options section? To access this section, 1. Select your virtual machine. 2. Click VM Settings. 3. Open the Options tab. You will find several different options here, each with its own specific purpose. 1. General. This section displays general information about the virtual machine. It includes virtual machine name, file storage location, virtual hardware compatibility version. This section is useful if you want to upgrade the virtual machine to a newer VMware hardware compatibility version. 2. Power. This section controls how the virtual machine behaves when it is powered on or shut down. Important options include power on, power off, suspend, reset. You can also specify what should happen when you close the VMware window. Power off the virtual machine. Suspend the virtual machine. Ask the user what to do. 3. Shared folders. Shared folders is one of the most useful VMware features. It allows you to share a folder from the host computer with the virtual machine. Basic steps. Enable shared folders. Select the folder you want to share. Choose either read-only or read or write access. After enabling this feature, the shared folder can be accessed from the guest Windows operating system. 4. Guest isolation. This section manages communication and data transfer between the host and guest operating systems. 2 important options are enable copy and paste. Allows you to copy and paste text or supported content between the host computer and the virtual machine. Enable drag and drop. Allows you to drag and drop supported files between the two systems. VMware tools must be installed for these features to work. 5. Snapshots. This section contains settings related to snapshots. A snapshot is like taking a save point in time state of your virtual machine. If a problem occurs later, you can use the snapshot to return the virtual machine to an earlier state. In future lessons, we will demonstrate snapshots practically and explain how to create, manage, and restore them. 6. Access control. If you want to protect your virtual machine, you can use this section. Important features include encryption, setting a password, restricting changes to the virtual machine settings. These features are particularly useful in professional and organizational environments. 7. Advanced. This section contains advanced virtual machine settings. These may include swap file location, firmware settings, compatibility options, advanced performance settings. Beginner users generally do not need to change these settings unless they have a specific reason to do so. 8. VMware tools. This section provides information related to VMware tools. Depending on the VMware version and guest operating system, you may be able to view VMware tools information and manage related settings. 9. Working directory. This section specifies the location used for certain temporary files associated with the virtual machine. If you are using an SSD, storing virtual machine files and temporary data on the SSD can provide better performance. Instructor tips. If your computer has limited resources, shut down virtual machines that you are not currently using. Do not allocate excessive RAM to each virtual machine. Remove old and unnecessary snapshots. Store virtual machine files on an SSD whenever possible. Keep VMware tools up to date. These practices can help improve the speed and stability of your virtual machines. Common user mistakes. One of the most common mistakes is that users install VMware tools but do not enable copy and paste or drag and drop under guest isolation. They may then assume that these features are not working correctly. Another common mistake is creating too many snapshots and keeping them indefinitely. Snapshots can consume significant disk space and may affect virtual machine performance, especially when many snapshots are retained. Summary. In this lesson, We explored the options section and reviewed its most important settings. We learned about general virtual machine settings, power management, shared folders, enabling copy and paste and drag and drop, understanding snapshots, security and encryption settings, advanced options and optimization tips. In Lesson 8, we will move into one of the most important topics in VMware, networking. We will explore bridged, NAT, host-only, and custom network configurations and explain the differences between them with practical examples and real-world scenarios. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the Teach Skill Academy channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming lessons in this course. Thank you for joining us. Good luck and see you in the next lesson.